Hi, welcome to the Dow Market View for Thursday, the 10th of September 2014. What I've done first off is remove all of the unqualified signals by coming down to the Tough XP indicators and then PTP and then taking the check mark out of show unqualified, and the same for the triple X as well. And the reason we're doing this is just to clear the chart up. There was a lot of unqualified signals for yesterday, and I just wanted to make the chart clearer for you. So the first signal of the day we have is a sell. The market trading down to the test area here, down to the low of the previous day, below the 17,000, which is quite amazing really that the market actually broke this. I thought we would have actually seen a lot more support at this level, but prices did come back. They fought valiantly, I suppose, trying to hold above the psychological 17,000 before moving lower. We do see a bit of selling here, and then the market is bought back with the green professional buying bar there. Now when you see these green professional buying bars, what you want to do is just to put on a zero extension below the low, because the low of the professional buying bar is generally where the buying comes into the market, and if the market can stay above this level, then prices are likely to move higher, and that's exactly what we see in this case. Prices going back above the 17,000 and then trading sideways at the previous day's close. We then get another buy signal, and we see the market trading through eventually through the scalp there. We get a bit of sideways movement through the afternoon session there before prices do move higher. If you didn't trade the afternoon session, let me just delete this, then there's the early evening one, which came in at just after 6 o'clock there. Again, another 20 pips. So 20 pips here, there's 20 pips in this as well, and then of course in the first signal of the day as well. Price is then trading sideways for the remainder of the session, and the last signal which we see here is too late in the session. That's at 8:05, and the market's not really moved a lot during the session anyway, so to think it's going to move at this sort of time of night is very rare indeed. But you should have already been long from the earlier signals, as well as the market's made its way back above the 17,000 psychological level there. Moving on to the daily chart, you can see how the market was brought back through the 17,000 level. Very important level. Again, I'll reiterate this. You can see this. That's why we have the lines drawn in here at 17,011, but 17,000, the psychological level, goes all the way back to here, is very important for this market. And finally, in the news, we've got nothing out after 1:30, well, apart from 8 p.m, which will not really make that much of a difference. So Draghi speaking, 8 p.m, ECB president. This shouldn't affect the market too much. Hopefully we'll have had the signals we want by this time, but keep in mind there's no news to move the US from 2:30, so whatever direction it takes would tend to stay in that direction. However, it could be a very sideways and choppy session as well, as there's no major news to move the market. Right, that's it from me this morning. I will see you in tomorrow's. As ever, thank you for your support, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.